pull out some wire here, just in case we need it. Worst case, we just undo 4 bolts and extend the wire. Again, that's the beauty of this. These two, I'm going to have to unbutyl or rebutyl tape them. And that's going to be a pain in my ass. So this is going to get squeezed shut by this. Just take this bad boy, stick it on here. Usually this is the part where I strip these bolts out or something. Okay, so we're going to leave our cable in here when the Starlink's not on the roof. You can, just a little junction box without any holes in it yet. So, all right, we're all set. We got ourselves a situation where we can hide our Starlink cable and it won't get wet. Let's put it in. Here's the end product.